two identical fluids produce fundamental notes of frequency 300 Hz at 27 degrees Celsius. So the frequency N1 is equal to 300 Hz, temperature T1 is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of the air in one of the fluids is increases to 31 degrees centigrade, that is T2 is equal to 31 degrees Celsius, the number of beats heard per second will be number of beats heard per second will be, that means the beat frequency is equal to how much? So we know the beat frequency is N1 difference N2. So you calculate N2 value also. So the formula is N is proportional to root T, absolute temperature directly proportional. Therefore, so N1 by N2 is equal to under root of T1 by T2. This is Celsius, the capital T is the Kelvin. We know small t, capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Therefore, T1 is equal to 27 plus 273 is equal to 300. Similarly, 300 Kelvin. Similarly, T2 is equal to 31 plus 30 31 plus 273 is equal to, this is a 304. Substitute this value. We know N1 value 300 by N2 root of T1 is a 300 by 304. $300 divided by N2 is equal to root of 300 by 304. 304 and 0 point something value, that is 0.9868. So 300 by N2 is equal to root of 0.98 means approximately 1. So that is equal to, we get 0.9933. Therefore N2 is equal to 300 divided by 0.9933, that is N2 is equal to, we know 300 by almost 3.302. So we have the value, that is N2. The beat frequency is N1 minus N2. So that is equal to, N1 is the value 300, that is N2 almost N2 is greater than N1. Therefore so N2 is a 302 minus N1 is a 300. Therefore the beat frequency is 2. This is the answer. When a vibrating tuning fork is placed in a sound box of sonometer, 8 beats per second are heard when the length of the sonometer were kept at 101 centimeter or 100 centimeter. That is L1 is equal to 101 centimeter, L2 is 100 centimeter. Then the frequency of the tuning fork is, so N is equal to how much? In which tension and the tension in the wire can be constant. T is equal to constant. So the relation between frequency and length, the formula is fundamental frequency is directly fundamental frequency is directly proportional to 1 by L. So therefore, so here beat, the number of beats is 8. One is the less n minus 8 and n plus 8 is equal to, so less ki more, therefore you should write in 101. So more ki less, inversely proportional, that is 100. So cross multiply them, 101 into n minus 8, so 100 n plus 8. So 101 n minus 808 is equal to 100 n plus 800. So 101 n minus 100 n is equal to, so most right side, therefore 808 plus 800. So 101 minus 100, 1, so 1 n is equal to 808 plus 800, 8 8 16, 16 08, 1608 edges. This is the answer. The second option is correct. The successive resonance frequency in an open organ pipe are 1944 Hz. Frequency N1 is equal to 1944 Hz, and another frequency, that is N2, is equal to 2600 Hz. The length of the pipe L is equal to how much? If the speed velocity of sound, that is V, is equal to 328 meter per second. So calculate length, and given two frequencies, the successive resonant frequencies of open organ pipe. So suppose the first frequency N1 is equal to PV by open pipe body 2L, and the successive frequency, that is N2, is equal to 1 is more, that is P plus 1 of V by 2L. For determination of L, so you write N2 minus N1 is equal to, or N1 minus N2, whatever may be, N2 value P plus 1V, P plus by 2L minus PV by 2L, that is equal to, so P plus 1 PV by 2L plus V by 2L minus PV by 2L. PV by 2L, PV by 2L gets cancelled, so V by 2L. But so we know the N2 value. N2 value is 2600 minus N1 value 1944 is equal to V value 328 divided by 2 into L. Two 2600 minus 1944 is 656. 656 is equal to, so cancellation with 2, 328 means we get 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, divided by L. Therefore L is equal to 164 by 656. 164 1 ja, 16 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4, that is 0.25 meters. So first option is the correct one. A progressive wave of frequency 500 Hz The frequency n is equal to 500 Hz. Traveling with a speed that is v is equal to 330 meter per second in air. The distance between the 2 points nothing but path difference delta x, which have a phase difference. Phase difference is a delta phi, that is equal to 30 degree. So in radian you should write that is equal to pi by 6. So the relation between phase difference and path difference, so the formula, phase difference delta phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. The path difference is delta x. So delta phi value we know, that is pi by 6 is equal to, so 2 pi by lambda into path difference is the delta x. But the given is velocity and frequency, but we know v is equal to n lambda, from which n is equal to lambda is equal to v by n. The lambda is substitute is here, therefore pi by 6 is equal to 2 pi, so v by n by v into delta x. The path difference delta x is equal to pi by 6 into v by 2 pi n. So pi gets cancelled, delta x is equal to 1 by 6, the v value 330 divided by 2 into n value 500. So 0 gets cancelled, 3 11 ja, 3 2 ja, therefore that is equal to 11 by, so 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 200, that is equal to 1 2. So path difference delta x is equal to 11 by 200, 0.055 meters. So fourth option is the correct answer.